Welcome friends. In this video we are going to learn how numbers and dates behave in an Excel. So we can see on this is an expense sheet. Let us prepare a small expense sheet. Let us 2, 3 and 4 and let us put some hypothetical amount. Let's say 2000 and then 3020 200 in this manner, but while making this 50,099 I think I made a mistake. This has to be 50,200. So how I can do it? I can double click on it and then I can delete this and type it down 200. There are another methods. I can have Control Z. Now I can go and press F2. When you press F2 key, you see the cursor appear at the end of this. Then you can delete by back arrow and type down 5,200. Another method is you go to the cell and press the delete button and type it down again 5,200. Or another method is you go here on the top formula bar, whatever the numbers are there, the formula bar, if they appears as the content in the formula bar, you go and click it there. I'll just zoom a little to make you more clearer. You zoom it there. Now the 200 is there. Let us suppose this is not 200, this was 250. Make 250 and press enter and it will make the changes. Similarly, I can have date also. Let us make the dates here because I want to record the date of the transaction. Let's say transaction date is 21 January 2021. When I write it down, I see it comes 21 Jan 21. Now date formats is whatever you want to, you can change it. You can go here on the number formatting we have learned in earlier lecture and go to custom and change the date format that are given here. Let us see some other behavior of dates. Here are the dates and numbers. The one is written up here. You can drag it one, then it will see 111 all over. It drags down 1. But if you drag out a combination of the numbers 1 and 2, it understands that there is a pattern between these two and it drags down with the help and manner of a pattern 1 2 3 4 5. It copies down the pattern itself. It identifies that pattern. It also copies down the formatting. You see there is yellow color in the column in the cell D1 that is written 1 where, and it copies down 1 in every second cell after that. Similarly, if 3 and 5 is there, it identifies the pattern. You copy them down, you select the two cells and in the corner see this plus sign and drag it down till wherever you want to, and it will create the whole numbers. Let me do Control Z, and you can also double click at this point instead of copying. So it took and it reaches to the point where the left hand cell, this left hand cell, wherever it is, left hand column, and it copies till that point itself. Similarly, if you have written up Jan here, you copy down Jan, Jan for the month, it identifies Jan and it can copy it like in smaller Jan, Feb, March till December. If you would like to continue further, it will again restart with January, Jan, again Jan or Feb like this. Similarly, January is written over here. If you drag it down, it will result in January, February, March and automatically increase the months after that. It also happens with date also. Here a date is written 01 Jan 22. If I copy the down date, it will increase every day by 1 day, every cell by 1 day, and 2nd Jan and 12 Jan, wherever until whichever the cell you want to, you can drag it down. Another important thing about this is when you select a number, let us say I'll go back and here 2000, I want this 2000 many places. I can have Control C, copy it down and select multiple cells, that is the destinations where I want to copy. You see the first cell that is in white color is the active cell and rest of the cells are not the active cells. It is being, this whole group is being known by the cell E5 itself. You just to copy it down, you just press enter key and it will get copied on all. Alternatively, let us see again, Control Z. I have already copied down 2000. What I can do is I can press Control V. It will paste down the data